My name is Chikamaleweza and I'm here again bringing you videos on how to make money online. Please do not skip any part of this video, stick to the end of the video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon button so I can bring you more videos like this and you receive notifications when I bring up more videos like this. Now let's get right into the video. Welcome to my channel, where I'll be sharing some valuable insights on how to get orders on Fiverr for beginners. If you're new to the platform and struggling to get your first order, then you're in the right place. As a seasoned Fiverr seller, I've learned some tips and tricks that have helped me generate consistent orders in the past. In this video, I'll be sharing some of my best strategies that you can implement right away to start getting more orders on Fiverr. So whether you're a freelancer looking to boost your sales or someone just starting out on Fiverr, this video is for you. So let's dive in. Now, the first thing you should do is to optimize your title and description. If you do not have a Fiverr account yet as a beginner, then you can go to one of my videos where I showed you how to open a new Fiverr account in the right way. You need to do proper SEO on your title and descriptions. Now, for you to do proper SEO, for example, you're doing content writing or you're a writer, you can type writing here and the next thing you should see are these things that pop up. So all these things are popular searches now, but I do not recommend you use these ones. It's best you use these suggested keywords here. Look at content writer, article writing, essay writing, copywriting, creative writing. Logo design is here but it's not connected. That is because it's no way connected to writing. This is just because most people searching for content writing also search for logo design. That's why you can see it here. So look at the most related ones: blog writing, translator, ghostwriter, data entry, somehow related. So you can use any of these keywords in your title and description. As you can see, some of these people use some of these keywords. You can see content writing here. You can see SEO article writing. Those are keywords. You can see write articles. Those are keywords. And you can see finance articles. Those are keywords that you can use. But these are the keywords that are trending right now. So you can use either 5 of these keywords and also infuse them in your description. So I'll be dropping the link to my video on how you can open a Fiverr account if you have not yet opened, so you can start your Fiverr journey today. Now, this is the first thing you should do. The second thing you should do is to gather Fiverr favorites. Now let's go to one of these accounts here. Now you can see Fiverr favorites right here at the top right corner. You can see it is 680. Now these Fiverr favorites help you to rank on Fiverr, and when you rank, your gigs will be the first ones here. So you have more people ordering your gigs. So for you to make it easier for you to have orders, you need to have more favorites on your gig. So now how can you get these favorites? Now what you can do is to go to Facebook here, then you type your Facebook account, then you type Fiverr gig favorite exchange. Look at it here. When you go here, you will see other people who are looking for exchanges, Fiverr gig favorite exchanges. You can see, let me exchange my gig, open my third, and you can try and exchange this, and you can also make a post like this to exchange Fiverr gig favorites. So the more your Fiverr gig favorites, the more likely your key will pop up on the first page. So try and have more Fiverr gig favorites. Then the next thing you should do is to try and get your first 5 reviews. Now reviews are important because when someone wants to order your gig, someone would like to see how many star rating you have and what people are talking about your gig. So it's very important that you have reviews. Now look at this person's reviews here. The person has a 5-star rating, and look at, there are some reviews you will see on this gig. Now look at the reviews here. So how you can get these reviews is by going to Facebook again. You can look for Fiverr gig review exchange. Let me look for one of them here. Look at Fiverr gig review exchange here, and I click on it. Then you see those people who have Fiverr gigs that need review exchanges. You can do this several times. So how you do is that you order for the person's gig and the person also orders for your gig. You can join all these. I've joined this and this just to show you how the group looks like. Then when you order the person's gig, the person also orders your gig, and you leave good reviews for each other, and that's how it works. So by so doing, your gig will be liked likely to pop up on the first page. And if your key pops up on the first page, you're likely to receive more orders. So as a beginner, if you do these tricks, you will receive orders. Now, the last thing you will do for you to keep receiving orders over and over again is by having orders on queue. You can do this by creating other accounts. You can create 3 other accounts or 4 other accounts with other devices that you have. Then you start ordering your gigs and creating a large timeline for you to fulfill that order. So by so doing, you can have 4 or 5 orders on queue. Now you can see these people that are trending right here. They should have their orders on queue. That's why you can see them trending. Now you can see this person has 2 orders in queue. You can see the other one has about 5 orders in queue. I think this is the first one. So you see 5 orders. So if you have about 5 to 4 orders or even 6 orders or 3 orders, you will surely be in the first page. That's the icebreaker. So once your orders are on queue, people will keep ordering your gig because they will see your gig as relevant and that you deliver. So I think this is all for this video. Now if you want to rank your gig on the first page of Fiverr, I have a more elaborate video that will put your gig on the first page and it will never go down. It has several things you need to do, about 12 to 13 steps that you just need to take, and your gig will keep ranking on Fiverr. Then this is the video: how to rank your Fiverr gig on first page fast in 2023. You can rank your gig less than 24 hours. So I think this video is very helpful for people who want to do Fiverr and want to earn money consistently on Fiverr.